Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting every panel, seam, and hinge for damage and early corrosion. This tells you where protection is most needed. Once done, remove contaminants with a degreaser and a diluted bleach wash to kill salts and organic residue, because residues accelerate corrosion. Make sure to dry thoroughly with forced air or controlled heat. Any trapped moisture under trim or in cavities will ruin later treatments. These first actions set the foundation for long-term rust prevention, so be thorough and methodical. You now address existing corrosion with targeted removal. Sand to clean metal using progressively finer grits to avoid excessive feathering. Then apply a chemical rust converter on pitted areas to stabilize remaining oxidation. This prevents reactivation. Next, prime with an epoxy primer for adhesion and follow with a durable top coat. Make sure to seal seams and cavities with automotive seam sealer and cavity wax. These block moisture and salt ingress. Together, these steps convert problems into protected surfaces that resist future. You finish by establishing a maintenance routine. Store the vehicle in a ventilated, low-humidity environment and use desiccants or a dehumidifier to control moisture. Every 3 months, inspect high-risk areas and promptly touch up paint chips, reapply wax, and refresh cavity coatings so small flaws never grow. If you do see rust reappear, act quickly, isolate the affected spot, remove corrosion back to sound metal, and repeat the treatment sequence. Troubleshooting tip. Persistent corrosion often means trapped moisture or failed seals. Check drainage and reseal any gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.